Most system design content assumes you already know something. You don't have prerequisites. You don't have the vocabulary yet. You just have questions. So I built this for you specifically, not for the engineer who already knows the terms, for the beginner who's never designed a system in there. It's called System Design for AI. 38 chapters, 0 to production. That's not a tagline, that's the actual promise. Chapter 1 assumes you know nothing. Chapter 38, you're designing a production AI system from scratch. Here's how it does that. Every chapter opens with a story, not a definition. Take retrieval, augmented generation, a term that scares most beginners away on sight. This course opens with a librarian, one who never forgets a book she's read, but only answers questions about books that are actual. And every chapter ends with the same simple test. Explain it back to me, not a multiple choice quiz. Because if a beginner can explain a concept in their own words, they actually learned it. If they can't, they just read words on a screen. There's a website too, a visualizer where you click through a real RAD pipeline, step by step, and watch it happen. So the idea isn't just a story anymore, it's something you can see. I want to be direct about who this is for. If you already design AI systems for a living, this probably isn't for you. This is for the student staring at a job posting that says system design and feels their stomach drop. This is for the beginner who opened 5 other resources and closed A. 38 chapters, no prerequisites, no paywall, MIT licensed, free, forever. You don't need to already know this. That's the entire point. Start with chapter 1 tonight. Link is below.